Ayan. Okay.
Bakit kaya ito? Gawin ko lang. Basta pangatlong pick ko na ito eh. Mahirap din magpili. Mag-start ka ba?
Grabe. The single Christian.
Single Christian. Sino yung mga single?
Oy! 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 Grabe naman takot.
Yan, para ito sa mga single Christian. So kung hindi kayo single, lahat ng hindi single, lumabas muna kayo.
Yes! Labas tayo, boss! Labas tayo!
Yes!
Labas kami.
Go na! Nag-start.
So, mostly kasi, di ba, sa loob ng church lagi natin pinag-uusapan about, syempre yung family. Ano patakbo yung family. So, hindi natin narinig yung, paano naman yung mga single Christian, di ba? So, lessons are often presented on the subject of home and family. So, madalas yung laging topic, yung lesson, di ba? So, discussing the challenges of marriage and parenting, yan, especially sa tungkol ito sa madalas yung naririnig natin tungkol sa marriage, yung challenge, and paano ba maging magulang. So, mostly yan yung naririnig natin. And describing the responsibilities of spouses, parents, and children. Okay? So, isa pa yun sa madalas natin naririnig tungkol sa mga may partner yan, yung mga nanay at tatay natin, and yung mga anak. Diba? So in many cases, little is said concerning those who are single. Oh, diba? Kaya sabi ko, yung mga hindi single, lumayas muna kayo dito.
Tapos kayo dapat ni Kaloy.
Perhaps because the nuclear family is assumed to be the norm. Okay? Kasi, diba, sabi nga nung yung mga aral na talaga sabi nila, ang tao daw, ang pinagkaandaan is una yung birth, kapanakan, second, marriage, kapag yan, kakasal ka na, then death. So yun ang pinagkaandaan ng tao. So yet, many are single and may feel left out. So paano naman yung mga single? Parang hindi sila makasabay, di ba? So paano naman yung para sa amin? Kayo lang ba? Paano naman yung para kay Karen? So the Bible does have things to say about being single. Okay? Kung ikaw ay Christian single, mayroon sinasabi sa iyo ang Bible. So hindi means, di ba? Kasi ngayon iba na ang pagtingin kapag ikaw ay single. Pag sabi single ka, parang hindi ka daw nananalamin. Di ba? So usually hindi ka physically attractive. Di ba? Pag single ka, hindi ka lapitin, layuin ka. So hindi lang para sa inyo to. So para ito sa lahat ng single Christian. So, questioning regarding the single Christian. May mga tanong. Una, why would anyone be single? Bakit ba may single? Bakit yung iba meron namang partner? First is, some may be single by circumstances. Diba? May mga circumstantial na mga hinaharap yung bawat isa. And such women who have never been asked to marry. Kung ikaw ay babae, wala pang, di ba, pag walang, di ba, nagbigay sa'yo ng sing-sing na, will you marry me, di ba? So, di ka talaga makahanap, di ba? What else? Such as men who have not yet found a woman to accept their proposal. O ikaw naman si lalaki, may sing-sing ka na nga, wala kang pagbibigyan. May ganun ba na una yung sing-sing bago yung, di ba? So, may mga circumstances such as those who are divorced, perhaps through no fault of their own. So dito sa Pilipinas wala naman divorce, annulment, but in other countries, so may mga divorce. So nagiging single ulit sila, di ba? Kahit fault mo o fault nino man, it doesn't matter. Pag divorce ka, single ka ulit, di ba? Kaya sa mga first world country yung mga divorce, sabi nila yung kapag nag-divorce ka daw, yung unang marriage mo is practice na. Practice makes perfect, sabi niya. Okay, so, such as those who are widowed, suffering the loss of their spouse. Oh. Ay, si Mama Ning hindi pwedeng palabasin. Single pala siya. Eh, yung mga widowed. So, may naalala lang ko yung widowed na yan. Yung bigla naging widowed. Huwag ka lang kwento. Next, such as those too young to marry or too sick. Diba? Kung ikaw ay sobrang bata pa, nag-aaral ka pa lang, syempre wala akong planong magpakasal. Hindi, patay ka sa magulang mo. Diba, Karen? Malnutrition, di ba? And yung may sakit, di ba? So, hindrance din yun para hindi ka magka-asawa. Why would anyone be single? Some may be single by choice. Wow! Sino to? Tsura.
Self-love.
No choice na, pero may choice pa rin. Diba yan? Di ba may kasing ganon? May mga taong ganon na akala mo pagka single malungkot sila. But, it's their choice. Perhaps, they prefer the single life on its own merits. Meron dyan ayaw pa mag-asawa kahit matagal na yung relationship nila, 5 years, 6 years, kasi gusto niya pang mag-travel around the world. So yun yung madalas natin naririnig. Or may gusto pa siyang ma-achieve sa buhay niya. Di ba? Kaya nga dapat di sinasakal eh, bakit di... Di ba? Kailangan, di ba, parang ganyan yung... Minsan, hindi naiintindihan ng iba niyan, di ba? So, hindi lahat ng single ay, kumbaga, nandun sa, di ba, nasa emo side, ang sinasabi. So, perhaps they have chosen to remain single for other reasons. May iba pang rason kaya single ka. Di ba? By choice. Jesus said, some would be single for the sake of the kingdom. That is on Matthew 19, 11 to 12. So, Jesus replied to, not everyone can accept this word, but only those to whom it has been given. For there are eunuchs who are born that way, and there are eunuchs who have been made eunuchs by others. And there are those who choose to live like eunuchs for the sake of the kingdom of heaven. The one who can accept this should accept it. So may nasusulat din dyan. So, even noon, panahon, di ba, sa Bible, may mga hindi talaga din, hindi pa asawa, di ba? So may mga single. So Paul considered his singleness a gift from God. O imagine si Paul yan. O sino mga single dito? Pwede na excuse ko. Di ba? Parang si Paul daw ay may gift from God. Singleness. Ganun pala. So, sabi dyan in 1 Corinthians 7 to 8. So, I wish that all of you were as I am, but each of you has your own gift from God. One has this gift, another has that. Verse 8, now to the unmarried and the widow, I say it is good for them to stay unmarried as I do. So, kung baka katulad ka ni Paul, meron ka daw gift of singleness. Di ba? Some men is simple, not withdrawn by the opposite sex. Paano yun? Hindi ka na-attract. So ano ka ba yun? Nasa pangatlong ano ka ba? Di ba? Sino ba naka-experience nito na hindi na-attract? So maybe, ito yung sinasabi nilang yung mapili, di ba? So hindi madalas na-attract sa opposite sex. Ang taas siguro ng standard na ito. Di ba? Why would anyone be single? Pangatlo, sometimes circumstances make being single the best choice. Okay? Minsan ito yung pinaka-best choice. Dahil ganun pa itsura niyang katabi mo, may choice pa rin yan. Diba? As in times of persecution, yung 1 Corinthians 7, 25 to 28, now about virgins, I have no command from the Lord, but I give a judgment as one who the Lord's mercy is trustworthy. Because of the present crisis, I think that it is good for a man to remain as he is. Are you pledged to a woman? Do not seek to be released. Are you free from such a commitment? Do not look for a wife. But if you do marry, you have not sinned, and if a virgin marries, she has not sinned. But those who marry will face many troubles in this life. And I want to spare you this. So yan yung sabi doon sa 1 Corinthians. Or in times of war and tragedies, etc. So with so many possible reasons, we should be careful not to presume why one is single. Okay? Hindi porket single yan, hindi dahil sa itsura niya. Huwag ganon. Diba? So maraming circumstansya. Diba? Then, what are the benefits to being single? Siyempre, may benefits din yan. Akala nyo, laging yan, kawawa. First, freedom from care. As in times in distress or persecution, sabi sa 1 Corinthians 7:26, diba? 32. Yan. I would like you to do free from concern, and unmarried man is concerned about the Lord's affairs. How he can please the Lord, but a married man is concerned about the affairs of this world. How he can please his wife, and his interests are divided. An unmarried woman or virgin is concerned about the Lord's affairs. Her aim is to be devoted to the Lord in both body and spirit, but a married woman is concerned about the affairs of the world. How she can please her husband. I am saying this to your own good, not to restrict you, but that you may live in a right way, in undivided devotion to the Lord. Yeah. Diba? Freedom to care. In such times, it is a blessing not to have to worry about a spouse and children. Blessing pa nga. Diba? Kasi why? Ano pinagkaiba ng married at saka sa single? Ang single, hindi siya, di ba, masyado nag-iisip nung para sa pamilya, walang siya family. Di ba, pag yung married ka na, mahirap. Yung kakainin ng anak mo, yung pagpadede, kung bata pa, di ba? Pag malaki na, tuition, so ang dami mong iisipin. So, yung being single, it is a blessing. Di ba? What are the benefits of being single? Pangalawa, freedom to serve the Lord. Yan.
Okay.
As Paul describes in 1 Corinthians 7:35, kabila. Yan, 35. Yan. I'm saying this for your own good, not to restrict you, but you may live in a right way in undivided devotion to the Lord. Yan. Freedom to serve the Lord. Kasi, di ba, most of the time kapag married ka na, alam mo nangyayari. Yan lagi yung reason natin kay Lord, eh. Di ba? Naging reason siya para hindi ka pag-church, sa ministry. Di ba? Nahihirapan ka to cope up doon sa ministry because yung kailangan gugulin na responsibility for your family. Di ba? So kung single ka, pwede mo magawa yung maraming bagay or mga ministries na dapat mong gampanan, di ba? So, mas marami kang time ngayon kay Lord. Dapat walang time para magmukmuk na bakit ka single, di ba? So, there are opportunities to serve the Lord that may not be as often to be familial responsibilities. So, wala kang kasing responsibilidad na binubuhay, di ba? So, yung sarili mo lang. What are the disadvantages to be single? Siyempre, kung may advantage, may disadvantage.
Not bad, but not good.
First is the danger of temptation. Yan. So, lalo especially sa lalaki, at even babae naman, di ba? So, physical desires can be strong. So, kung single ka, lalo kung ikaw yung taong kailangan yung clingy ba? Yung sabi nila, di ba? You're a clingy person. Di ba? Gusto mo lagi hinawakan yung kamay niya. Kasi hawakan mo na lang yung unan. Di ba? So, dito, ito yung kahinaan mo. Okay? Kung ikaw yung taong dapat laging may companion, di ba? May kausap. Yan. Ito yung pinaka-temptation mo. Madali kang mahulog or ma-fall. Di ba? So, physical desires can be strong. If so, then one should not be single by choice. Kung ikaw yung gantong klaseng single na hindi mo kaya mag-isa. Di ba? Yung gusto mo lagi, meron kang kasama. Di ba? Dapat hindi mo piliin na single by choice. Di ba? At the first place, hindi mo naman talaga kaya. Kaya kahit ayaw mo, di ba? Kaya may nagsasabi, ay, na-full na ako. Ayan. Di ba? Pangalawa, marriage is for those who don't have the gift of singleness. Dahil binanggit natin kanina yung verse sa 1 Corinthians 7:8-9. Yan, kung wala kang gift katulad ni Paul ng singleness, kailangan mo talagang merong partner. Kaya maghanap-hanap ka na. Di ba? Kasi ito yung weakness mo, yung temptation. Next, if single by circumstance, one needs to be extra careful. If single by circumstance, one needs to be extra careful. Bakit daw? Okay? Kung single ka by circumstance na baka naman kasi sa tsura mo, di ba? Minsan yun talaga laging tinitingnan natin, di ba? Or pangit yung ugali mo, kaya meron ka dati, ngayon wala na. So, yun yung sinasabi ng circumstance. Di ba? So, they may not have the help of close supervision by other family members. Yan, hindi ka na, kumbaga, hindi ka na na-supervise ng parents mo kung ano nangyayari sa'yo. Diba? It is more tempting when no one is looking. Kung wala nakatingin, mas mataas yung temptation. Diba? Pangatlo, they need to be extra sure to lean on the Lord. Diba? Dapat talaga, kay Lord ka kumapit. Mas malakas dapat yung kapit mo kay Lord. Kung ikaw yung tipong, di ba, hindi mo kaya mag-isa. Yung gusto mo lagi, yung may hinahanap ka lagi. Di ba? Kailangan mo lumapit kay Lord. Yan yung sa 1 Corinthians 10:13. Yan, now, to the unmarried and the widow, I say, it is good for them to stay unmarried, as I do, but if they cannot control themselves, they should marry, for it is better to marry than to burn with passion. Okay? Hindi mo nga kaya kailangan mo na talagang maghanap ng partner. Hindi mo kaya mag-isa. You can live without your partner. Kahit hindi mo pa siya nakikilala, maghanap ka na. What are the disadvantages to be single? Second, the danger of loneliness. Advantage, loneliness. Lagi ka nakakaramdam ng, malungkot ka lagi kasi mag-isa ka eh. Not to be confused with solitude, which many single people enjoy. Diba? Kapag yun ang pinagkaiba nung by circumstance na single ka at yung sinasabing mayroon kang gift yung sinasabi kanina doon. Diba? Of singleness. Okay, yung may gift daw ng singleness, kaya mag-isa doon. Masaya pa rin siya kahit wala yung partner niya. And yung wala naman, yung by circumstances, siya yung hindi niya kayang mag-isa. Okay? Hindi siya nag-enjoy sa buhay kung wala siyang kasama. Kaya laging loneliness yung nararamdaman niya. Loneliness can lead to depression. Yan. Di ba? Pagka na-jowa, meron nga dyan, papakamatay. Di ba? So laging imo ang itsura, which can render in one ineffective in the service of God. Kung depressed ka na kasi wala kang makitang partner, di ba? Ano mangyayari sa'yo? Hindi ka na rin magagamit Lord sa kanyang ministry. Okay? Di ba? Kasi nagmumukmuka na lang. So that's the problem. Kapag single ka by circumstances. What are the disadvantages to be single? Pangatlo, the danger is self-centeredness. Ibig sabihin yan, makasarili. Laging sarili mo lang iniisip mo. Di ba? So, living alone is easy to become set in one's own way. Di ba? Sarili mo lang lagi. Yung perspective mo, lagi nasa, kumbaga sa camera, ano yun? Ano yung first perspective?
First person.
First person, gano'n. Kung bakit siya naglalaro yung Counter-Strike na first person, nakikita mo lang yung nasa harap mo. So, ganun ka mag-isip, self-centered. One may soon forget of the how or need to accommodate others. Diba? Nakakalimutan mo na, wala kang pakialam.
15 minutes.
Sarili mo na lang yung iniisip. Okay, the single life may not be better or worse than married life, only different. Okay, it does come with its own unique challenges, of which all Christians, married ka man or single, should be aware. Di porket, di ba, single ka or married ka na, di ba, is better. There's no better yung sa married and single. Only different. Magkaiba lang kayo. No matter what our situation or station in life, God can give us the strength and wisdom to lead productive and joyful lives. Okay? Tandaan natin, mag-jowa ka man wala, okay, married ka man o hindi, okay, there is always a reason bakit kailangan masaya ka. Why? You have God in your life. Diba? Kapag may Diyos ka sa buhay mo, kahit ilang beses ka pa na, diba, na-reject, okay, yung relationship mo, paulit-ulit man yan, o once na nangyari sa'yo, okay, there is always a reason para maging masaya. Diba? 15 na ba?
Okay na?
Tapos na.
Oh!